In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix FPS drop in Rainbow Six Siege on the PlayStation 4. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over simple methods that you can follow to fix any issues attributed to FPS or performance drops in Rainbow Six Siege. Usually, there aren't many options related to changing the graphical settings if you are playing Rainbow Six Siege on a PlayStation 4, so most of these solutions are going to be referring to the actual PlayStation 4 hardware and settings. So first, for general optimization, the simplest thing that you can do and the most effective by far is to restart your PlayStation 4. If you keep playing for many days in a row, you open a lot of games, you close them down and so on, but you don't turn off your console completely, it could be running for a while, overheating, and the memory could be not being utilized to its fullest. So whenever you shut down the console completely, make sure that you are not sending it to rest mode and letting it stay there for a while, then you turn it back on. All of the memory available is now going to be free and there are going to be no applications consuming it on the background running. So if you open Rainbow Six Siege exclusively after you restart your PlayStation 4, you should see a performance uplift. Besides this, like I said, there isn't much else that you can do inside of the game. So restart your console first, see if it gets better, and if it still doesn't, the next thing I recommend is checking for updates. Assuming that you are able to get inside of Rainbow Six Siege, you already have the latest version of the game itself. So check to see if your actual PlayStation 4 system software has any pending updates. Afterwards, if you have a PlayStation 4 Pro, consider enabling Boost mode. I know most people will not have a PlayStation 4 Pro, so this option will not be available. Besides this, like I said, there isn't much that you can do. Make sure that your console is not overheating, make sure that it is placed on somewhere that it can get a lot of fresh air, and you should be able to get the best performance possible inside of Rainbow Six Siege and any other game. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix FPS drop in Rainbow Six Siege on the PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.